So I'm the team physician at Brigham Young University. I've been there for 23 years. And one of the important parts of my job is being able to identify problems, diagnose them quickly, and oftentimes being able to assess an injury quickly can make the difference between whether or not a player can get back in the game, and that can impact whether we win the game or lose the game. The ability to have this technology on the sideline is going to make my job a lot easier. Over the years, we used to have to arrive at a stadium and depend on whether or not the other team had an X-ray unit and whether or not we could get access to it. Because of that challenge a number of years ago, we at BYU bought a big C-arm and started taking it on the road with us. It was rough, it was difficult, but at least it solved a problem. The Turner technology takes it to another level, where we now will have the ability on the field very quickly in a very convenient fashion to be able to X-ray analyze injuries as they occur.
As an orthopedic surgeon, I believe that the SMART-C will be a must-have instrument for virtually all practices. With larger and bulkier devices, clinicians spend considerable time and energy moving the device and the patient into position. The small form factor of the SMART-C will enable us to obtain critical images with essentially minimal effort. I firmly believe that the SMART-C can be utilized in almost any setting, from big budget hospitals in large cities to small clinics in rural communities and virtually anything in between.
The SMART-C will immediately affect my practice by allowing quicker and more efficient imaging of bones and joints in the operating room. Current C-arms weigh upwards of 300 pounds and require bulky, limiting cord connections. As a result, these devices are difficult to manipulate and maneuver, which ultimately affects patient care. Not only do I see myself using the SMART-C in the operating room, but because my practice involves coverage of multiple high schools, a junior college, and a major university, it will potentially provide valuable decision-making information at all points of care. The most exciting thing about the SMART-C is that it's not limited to just one clinical environment. It'll be used in a variety of sectors, such as humanitarian, rural patient care, hospitals, diagnostic imaging centers, orthopedic surgical centers, sports medicine, veterinary clinics, military, industrial, security, disaster relief.